Okay, everybody. Today we're going to make a really quick beurre manié. All that means is that's French for a paste made out of butter and flour. That's all it is. It's used for thickening your soups, your stews. Oh my goodness, you can use it for other things too. Some people use cornstarch, to do a slurry. Others use like a rice flour, things like that. If you can't, your stomach can't handle regular flour, there's other methods, but this is a great thickening agent, and I've used this in my stew that I'm going to do here in a couple days. The video comes out, but it's really simple. It's literally equal parts flour. So I already have 2 tablespoons of flour in the food processor. Now you can just do this with softened butter. Um, and the flour in a bowl with a spatula. Another way you can do it is like this. You just take a cheap food processor. This is going to be a full block of butter. So this is 8 tablespoons of butter. I'm packing this pretty solid, so I don't know if I'm overdoing it, but we're going to find out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, as you can tell, I already cut my finger on the food processor, and yes, I did wash the blade. All right. I just got to get this thing set up wrong way. This has to go underneath until it locks. And then you're just going to pulse. And you want it to get to a wet sand consistency. So there's still a lot in there, so I'm going to keep going. There it goes. Okay, so you can see now it's really starting to work hard. But you can see it's forming a paste, which is exactly what we want. So that's pretty much what I want. Let's take this off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully remove the blades. Okay, there we go. And very carefully, these blades are super, super sharp, I will tell you. I found out the hard way a few minutes ago. Yeah, don't reach into the cabinet blindly when you have sharp objects in there, would be my suggestion. But that's just me. We'll scoop this out. But yeah, you can see how it makes a paste. So it's basically a butter flour paste. And now what you can do is, I'll roll this in a kind of like a log, kind of like a cheese log, kind of. Okay. That's going to be a dish. Good thing this is dishwasher safe, because that's a dishwasher wash right there. No lie. And that's it. So now what I'm going to do is I can roll this and I can kind of form it with the plastic wrap so I'm not getting my hands all over it. And I will kind of form it in, I guess, to like a stick of butter so you can kind of better judge. It's not going to be perfect, but what you see is beurre manié. That's all it is. A fancy French words for a paste. I do need another tablespoon or 2 for my stew that's cooking over here on the stove. That video is coming out soon. But for now, this is going to go in the freezer. Then as I need to thicken a sauce, or a gravy, whatever. I have it right there. I'll get all the air out, roll this out. Boom. There you go. Beurre Manié. See you in the next one.